Tatlong dati at kasalukuyang senador ang nakatakda ng makasuhan ng Independent Commission for Infrastructure sa susunod na linggo kaugnay ng anomalya sa flood control projects. Para sa detalye, magbabalita live si Giselle Ricafort. Giselle.
Miski tatlong mga dati o kasalukuyang senador ang pakakasuhan ng Independent Commission for Infrastructure sa susunod na linggo yan. Ito ang inanunsyo ni ICI Chairman Andy Reyes sa katatapos lamang na pulong balitaan dito sa tanggapan ng ICI sa Taguig City. Bukod din yan, kina Senator Jinggoy Estrada at Senator Joel Villanueva na una ng pinagkakasuhan ng komisyon. Pakinggan natin ang Chairman.
We will be filing at least cases against 3 sitting or former senators, at least 3 next week.
Sa ikatlo namang pagkakataon, miski ay muling pinakakasuhan ng administratibo ng komisyon si dating Public Works Secretary Manny Bonoan at dating Undersecretary Roberto Bernardo at Maria Catalina Cabral. Kaugnay ito ng panibagong 74 na milyong piso na Ghost Flood Control Project sa lalawigan ng Bulacan na hawak ng kontratistang Darcy and Anna Builders and Trading. Inirekomenda rin ng ICI na kasuhan naman ng kriminal ang iba pang dating opisyal ng Bulacan First District Engineering Office kabilang sina Engineer Henry Alcantara, Bryce Hernandez, Ernesto Galang, Jolo Maritayao, John Michael Ramos, Engineer Limuel Efraim Roque, at Darcy Pinel Respecio ng nabanggit na kontraktor. Ito na yung ikalimang interim report at referral ng komisyon sa Ombudsman kaugnay ng mga anomalya sa proyekto sa flood control. Pakinggan muli natin ang Chairman.
Based on the report endorsed by the Commission on Audit, COA, it was established that no structure was constructed at the location specified in the approved bid plans. The results of the COA technical inspection, together with the available records, clearly established that the project was never implemented despite the unwarranted release and full payment of the contract costs by the DPWH to Darcy and Anna Builders and Trading Incorporated. It appears that several DPWH public officials were grossly negligent, if not remiss, in the performance of their respective duties to ensure that the project was properly implemented and that government funds were lawfully and prudently disbursed.
Sa mga oras na ito, Ms. Kayuel, bumabiyahin na yung mga abogado ng komisyon para isumite yung ikalima nilang interim report at referral sa Office of the Ombudsman. Ito si Giselle Ricafort para sa DZRH sa Pilipinas, una sa Pilipino.
Maraming salamat, Giselle Ricafort.